If you want to start using Jobber, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discount. To connect Jobber to QuickBooks, search the apps on the side navigation bar. Click on it and you will see the QuickBooks in the featured favorites. Once you click it, you will be redirected to Account Sync and click Connect to QuickBooks. After that, you'll need to select your country. If QuickBooks is not available to your country, you can just select other country that QuickBooks support. In this case, in the Philippines, QuickBooks isn't compatible to my country, so I'm going to choose United States. Once you're done, click Next. Here, they will ask you what's your company name. You should put the company name that was registered to your Jobber. And then, click Connect. And that's it. That's how you connect Jobber to QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.